Alright, problem was fixed, and let's go back to the background. You can just select basically any color, so just kind of play around with it, click all the buttons so you see what they do. One of the things that we use a lot is the buttons. The buttons usually will make them like a bright color just for them to be really noticeable. So see, these are the buttons. And hover buttons is when the mouse hovers over the button. See, it goes yellow to red. So the scrubbers know that they're clicking it. And what else we got? Okay, so we got text and fonts. We got field text. And also what we could do is, if we go to edit here, we can add a picture. And let's just use this one for now. And save and close. And there it is. There's your picture. So if you want to just take a few minutes and just get to know everything, you can either pause the video or just continue on the next one. So in the drive we have a couple links about color theory, about certain colors don't mix with other colors, and rules about how many fonts to use with the picture, and just like little basic things that a lot of graphic designers learn about, in order to promote stuff. And we'll just cover that in another video. The next thing we're going to go over is the embedded forms. So if you know about using the HTMLs, I'm not too familiar with it using Koei, but it is here if you know how to use it. And we also have subscriber pop-up. And this is mostly like for the Tumblrs, WordPress, Facebook, stuff like that, social media. So let's start by adding a photo. And let's use the same one we used last time. And then here we can change the designs for it. We can change the fonts and text color. And here in content, it would say newsletter. And then maybe put and that's about it. That's basic. That's a basic pop-up. The next thing what we're going to do is campaigns. So go to the upper left, click campaigns, and then we're going to create a new campaign. Let's just do basic email. So we can name it let's name it Costa Rica Wrap Up 2. Now, because this campaign is directed to people from Costa Rica, you would click Add recipients, and then you would click the Costa Rica list. But since we're just doing a training, let's just click the list that you created. We're going to save it. Everyone's going to see the subject, so this is put something appropriate. Now you're going to go to design email. And I like the first one, the sell products. Now back here, we can select an image. Oh, that don't look great. There we go. And then let's make this and then here you can move these boxes, so we can move this up or we can move this down. So let's give it a title. So this is all the cool stuff you can put in. We got social media, and don't forget to go to settings. can just play around with it a little bit and you get to kind of just figure it out what they all do. Save and close. We can also add multiple images, up to like 5 images. We can also add videos from YouTube. So we go here, we can browse, or just copy and paste, which is something I like doing. So let's go to YouTube. So here I'm going to show you what we can do with this. We can actually add PowerPoints. So we actually have some PowerPoints uploaded on here. Here we go, scholarships. Click it. You insert it. Another important thing is this part down here. If you don't delete this, you can't create your campaign. So now I'm going to show you something one of our other work study students did. She has a little bit more experience. You don't have to worry if yours doesn't come out like this. So see, we got the background, the social media, the heading, the button, Now, a little trick that we like to do is to go on